Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we are going to talk about terminology, what we are going to use frequently and their uses. So first, it will become like in often, which is the images or image. The image is the file system and configurations of our applications which are used to create a containers. So just remember in high level, the images is the file system and configurations of our applications which are used to create a containers, you know. So that is a very important, especially for Docker. Second terminology, we have a containers. So what is container? So container is a running instances of a Docker images. Containers run the actual applications. A container includes an applications and all of its dependency. It shares the kernel with other containers and runs as an isolated process in user space on the host OS. Next, we have a Docker daemon. So Docker daemon, as the name suggested, it's a kind of the background services running on the host that manage building, running, and distributing Docker containers. After that, we have a Docker client. So the command line tools that allows the user to interact with the Docker daemon with help of a REST API. Next, we have a Docker store, which is like in a registry or like in we can say that in Docker Hub of a Docker images where you can find the trusted and enterprise ready containers, plugins, and Docker editions. So that's all about in this lecture, and please let me know if you have any in concerns, and thanks for watching.